Class 9th Science. Chapter 1 Matter in Our Surroundings. Worksheet number 2. Solids, liquids, and gases. Matter can exist in three main states: solid, liquid, and gas. Each state has its own unique properties. A. Solids. Definition: a solid is a state of matter that has a fixed shape and volume. Properties: 1. Has a fixed shape and volume. 2. Particles are closely packed and have a fixed position. 3. Particles vibrate about their mean position. 4. Cannot be compressed. Examples: rocks, metals, ice. B. Liquids. Definition: a liquid is a state of matter that has a fixed volume but not a fixed shape. Properties: 1. Has a fixed volume but not a fixed shape. 2. Particles are close together but can move past each other. 3. Particles have some kinetic energy. 4. Can flow and take the shape of a container. Examples: water, oil, juice. C. Gases. Definition: a gas is a state of matter that has neither a fixed shape nor a fixed volume. Properties: 1. Has neither a fixed shape nor a fixed volume. 2. Particles are widely spaced and can move freely. 3. Particles have a lot of kinetic energy. 4. Can be compressed. Examples: air, helium, steam. Short answer questions. 1. What are the properties of solids? 2. How do liquids differ from solids? 3. What are the characteristics of gases? 4. Give an example of a substance that can exist in all three states of matter. 5. What happens to the particles of a substance when it changes from a solid to a liquid? Answers: 1. Solids have a fixed shape and volume. Particles are closely packed and have a fixed position. Particles vibrate about their mean position, and cannot be compressed. 2. Liquids differ from solids in that they do not have a fixed shape and their particles can move past each other. 3. Gases have neither a fixed shape nor a fixed volume. Particles are widely spaced and can move freely, and particles have a lot of kinetic energy. 4. Water is an example of a substance that can exist in all three states of matter: solid, ice, liquid, water, and gas, steam. 5. When a substance changes from a solid to a liquid, its particles gain kinetic energy and begin to move past each other.